If you're dealing with eye fatigue, or if you're not able to clear small prints, especially if you're over 45, we have a solution for you. This is called beaded brush string, and it's a very easy device to use. The main reason your eyes are not communicating correctly because they are not able to converge and fuse the images. And this beaded string can help your eyes readjust and calibrate so they can communicate better and focus at one object at a time. And the tool is very easy to use. Basically, you put one end by your nose and you stretch the other end and you switch your eyes between the beads so you converge at different distances. You can make this at home, but if you buy a high quality one like this one, it will make your life a lot easier. These beads can slide back and forth and they can lock once you stretch the beads. I will demonstrate how to use this brush string in a very easy steps. To secure the hook to a wall or a doorknob, the best option is to find a wall hook like this and stick it to a blank wall with a double stick tape. We prefer blank walls so the beads become very visible. And make sure the string is about eye level. If you don't happen to have these hooks, you can use another key ring like this and secure it to the hook and then slide it inside a door handle. Next step is hold the hook with one hand and then start sliding the beads with your other hand. The best spacing is between 14 to 16 inches. And then secure the hook to the wall mount, which is around eye level, and then stretch the cord all the way towards your nose. Starting with the beads next to the wall mount, you can start your first exercise by pulling the ring towards your nose and focusing on the farthest bead. Your eyes will start seeing illusion, and it will look like as if the string is splitting into two strings, and that's fine since you are focusing on a far object and the other part of the string is next to your nose. And then you can move from the farthest bead to the middle bead and then the closest bead. Try to make the bead look as one bead as you are changing your focus from one bead to another. Next, we need to change the position of the beads. Slide them to the middle, and this can be easily done by pulling one end of the cord up until you reach the middle, and repeat the exercise. Focus on the farthest bead, and you need to see one bead only, and then the illusion will look like as if the other beads are doubled. So the first bead will look doubled, the middle bead will look doubled, and then the farthest bead should look as one bead. The string will split into two strings and they will meet at the bead where you're converging. When you move to the middle bead, the double string illusion will look like as if the strings are forming an X shape and they meet at the middle bead. So the middle bead is one bead and all the other beads are doubled. Then step 3, you can move the beads all the way towards your nose. While looking at the farthest bead, the middle and the closest bead will be doubled. When you move to the middle bead, the illusion will look like as if the string is doubled, but it is forming an X shape and it meets at the middle bead. And the farthest and the closest beads are doubled. When you move to the closest bead, all the other beads are doubled and the string is forming a V shape starting from your nose as one string, one bead, and then it splits and the other beads are doubled. And then you can change the distance between the beads, or you can change or keep sliding the beads back and forth and practice at different distances. 3 things to consider if you want to buy this brush string. First thing is the bead size. Second thing, make sure when you stretch the string, the beads don't slide. And the last thing, can you slide the beads back and forth? And if you want my recommendation, I would go with this product. I left everything in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.